What about like intellectual property, like your secret sauce? You know what I mean? Do you really want someone from KFC saying, these are the 11 special ingredients on social media? I don't think that would go down very well, do you? What about salaries and things? You've got to think as well as your brand. Don't say, well, we pay all of our staff X, Y, Z. That's supposed to be private information. So with your personal brand, we always think about our personal brand. We don't want people to think of us like that, or we don't want to portray that. Your business brand is the same thing. So many of us have company pages, even if we're a solopreneur. So we might have, like I've got a company LinkedIn page and a company Facebook page. Anyone else got one of those? Anybody do blogs? So any sort of marketing in that sense, you need to think about, do you want that to all look the same? Do you want all the messages to be the same type of thing? And are you asking your staff to do these things for you? Because I know I do. Of course, you can't do it all yourself once you start to grow. So you need to make sure that everything's done in the same way. One of the things that some people do is they have templates. So they have templates the way that their newsletters should be done, or templates the way that their blogs should be done. Or they have somebody who everything has to go through. So yes, they might have people creating content, but then eventually it's, well, I need to have to say so at the end of this to make sure it's something that we want to put out. Because it's not necessarily that your employees are there to get you. They're not trying to cause you trouble, usually. But things like this can happen. Oh. This is Prince George on his 3rd birthday. So, does anyone see anything wrong with this picture? Yes? It's bad for the dog. Giving ice cream to the dog. So the palace, thinking about their brand, every year they issue photographs of the royal children, and we all look forward to seeing them, seeing how they're growing up and seeing them in their own environment. And the photographer thought, oh, this is so lovely. Prince George just took it upon himself to share his ice cream with the doggy. Everyone was like, oh, that's so lovely, it's so nice. And they put that out, but they didn't think about what would happen. And there was a backlash. The RSPCA was like, oh my goodness, well, hold on a minute. The royal family are telling people to feed ice cream to dogs. Like, stop the press. And that isn't what they would do. It just so happened they caught him in the moment. So that's another reason for you to think about, is there someone checking your social media before it goes out? Because at the end of the day, social media is PR. So we should be monitoring our PR.